Oh, ayun na, ba't isa lang? Ah, ito pa. Oh, nasa na kayo? Pasok! Kittens! Madali. Pasok, pasok. Psst, meow. Ah, sasaraduhan ko na kayo. Oh. Ayaw kasi naman magpasok ng mga anak mo. Ikaw lang gusto magpasok din. Ayaw magpasok ng anak mo. Oh, kittens. Papasukin mo na. Lumalabas ang lamig. Oh, pasok na daw kayo. Oh, pasok na, pasok na. Kittens! Kittens! Nasaan ba yung isa? Ha? Meow? Nasaan yung isa?
Why are you being rude to me right now?
I'm not a great person.
I thought everyone in Bundaberg was rude.
Hindi siya pinapakinggan ng mga anak niya. Hoy, pasok na daw kayo.
And I'm a very small handful of nice people.
Is he going to be rude to me because he's from Bundaberg? Everybody's done. Don't get more than you back. Yeah, that dog will stop the we appreciate the dog. Yeah, you made everybody does.
Ayaw nga, magpasok niyo eh. Saan ba yung isa? Ah, dali na, pasok na. Dali na, pasok. Ha? Eh, kinapapasok niya nga dito sa loob eh. Oh. Ay. Nagkatawag na yung nanay niya. Ayaw nga magpasok niya. Gusto maglaro sa labas eh. Huwag mo nang anuhin yan. Gusto maglaro oh. Oh, gusto ko maglaro eh. Kittens. Uy, bukas yung likod.
Didn't have any clothes on. I just realised something you did, yeah. I've written about 2 years, so I'm jealous. Yeah, senior retention actually. What's that?
Kittens.
This is like a full crackdown. This is a terrible place.
The people in Bundaberg respect your dress. It's the rudest comment someone's ever said to you.
Are you or her intentionally fake?
Punch me in the face.
But it's okay. I'm restricted from attacking them back because I can.
Ayun ang isa. Gusto niyang bumalik doon. Ayun niya sumama kay Nyaw. Gusto niyang bumalik sa kantin. Ay, Nyaw. Sasarado ko na to. Sasarado ko na to, Nyaw. Oh, sasarado ko na to. Bala ka dyan. Kitten. Kitten. Ay. Wala na. Isa lang ang papasok.
Feel bad, but I don't do that. Never do it.
What have you encountered in Bundaberg? I don't know if I should be saying.
Oh, tingnan mo, hindi ka mapakali. Gusto mo talagang papasukin eh.
I want to reverse swanks with my hand and I fractured my hand. So what was that?
Ayaw nga nilang pumasok at gusto nilang maglaro.
What did you say?
Ayaw nilang pumasok. Nyaw.
After speaking to the people in Bundaberg, being sworn out on these 2 occasions,
Ayaw pumasok eh.
speaking about this town, what it's known for, was slowly moving. What I did
Naglalaro pa nga daw sila dyan.
until I put the residents of Bundaberg through a series of 3 tests. Test number 1, for people in Bundaberg, let me know if something fires is not. Test number 2, would anyone spare a gold for me to get after losing?
Diyan ka na lang.
Just get an ice cream.
Diyan ka na lang.
Finally, test number 3.